For those who live each moment to the fullest, the Celerio is here to let you enjoy experiences nothing less than extraordinary. Its large and comfortable space in a compact body turns your everyday into grand moments. Hop into the Celerio, because life is more exciting when lived large. Heightens your experience from within. The interior of the Celerio brings your senses alive. There's energy in every aspect of its styling. The three-dimensional vents and meter cluster stand out and add to the overall lively interior design, heightening your mood to drive. Available color. Exterior. Front. Rear. Front fog lamp. Door notch. Beadless roof panel. Rear lamp. Headlamp. 15 inches alloy wheel. Interior. Audio unit. Air conditioner. Socket vent grille.
Front legroom.
Front console tray. Front door pocket. Glove box. Rear door pocket. Rear leg trough space. Power window.
Rear legroom.
Steering wheel. Luggage space. Safety. SRS airbag system. Pedestrian injury mitigation body. Rear parking sensor. Hill hold control. ESP electronic stability program.
ABS anti-lock braking system.
Performance. 1.0-liter dual-jet engine. Auto gear shift AGS. Light and rigid hardtech platform. Luggage space. The new Celerio has a large luggage capacity of 295 liters, providing ample space to store items with 60 to 40 split folding rear seats. The car produces even more space for storing bigger items. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.